We're doing something a little bit different today. We're gonna do some rapid fire questions, and I get to introduce you to somebody that I love. I literally love him. This is my head of marketing, also my husband. So his background is actually in news, so he's gonna put on his little reporter hat, and I haven't seen some of these questions, so I have no idea what he's gonna ask me, but he's gonna give them to me.
Okay, as Brett said, I am her husband. She didn't tell you my name, but I will tell you my name. My name is John. And so here we go. We're gonna ask some rapid fire questions, get to know Brett in the industry. Ready? How long have you been in the design industry?
Little over a decade.
How many employees do you have?
4.
How would you describe them?
One is she's a Latina Italian mix. She's super feisty, super spicy. I adore the heck out of her. One, she just went on maternity leave, which is hard. She is like full of energy and personality. Her name is Jessie. She's coordinator in logistics, and I need her. And then we have Rachel, my senior interior designer, who, oh my gosh, she may be 10 years younger than me, but like old soul here, all things responsible.
A Swiftie. She's a Swiftie.
She's a Swiftie. She's a dancer, so she knows all the TikTok moves. So they all keep me on my toes.
How many kids do you have?
2.
Where are you from?
I grew up in Tomball, Texas, just north of Houston.
Why do you hate technology so much?
Okay, that's his question. I don't hate it. I'm just not good at technology. And he's great at technology, so I'll just hand it to him and he figures it out for me.
Your perfect pajamas.
Can I say no pajamas?
Ooh, sure, yeah. Always hot or always cold?
Always cold.
Favorite cheat food?
Salt and vinegar, kettle, it's key, potato chips.
How would you describe your design style in 3 words?
Modern, tailored, whimsical.
Design trend you absolutely love right now?
It's like European inspired. It's a lot of really heavy like millwork and architectural details and reading and fluting, and I love it.
Okay, the one you absolutely hate right
Shiplap. You don't even have to finish the question. Shiplap. Guys, we're in tech, like, shiplap.
What is your favorite room in the house to design?
Kitchen.
Why?
They're fun.
Can you share a secret for making a small space look bigger?
Paint all the way up, white everything, or floor to ceiling drapes. That makes a room immediately feel way bigger.
And we actually have a video like right up here that we'll link that you can
Marketing
watch.
guy here.
What's the biggest challenge you face in your profession?
People. Also the best part, but also the hardest part.
How do you handle difficult clients?
I don't mind difficult clients in the sense of like, they hire me to do a job, I'll shoot them straight, I'll be really blunt and honest with them in order to get that job done, but at the end of the day, like, if a client wants what a client wants, like it's their house, so it doesn't bother me.
The project you are most proud of?
This isn't an answer, but like all of them. We pour our heart and soul. I say I pour my heart and soul into every single project, so like I'm really proud of all of them. Is that an answer?
I'll answer it because I'm a guy and I love outdoor kitchens. Like, she did this outdoor kitchen and patio space, again, boop, up there. And I think it's chef's kiss.
Okay.
Go-to paint color.
Sherwin-Williams, pure white.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say languid gray.
Blue.
Languid blue, yeah, I hear this stuff, you know. Which celebrity would you love to design a home for and why?
This is weird because I don't really even watch them, but like the Kardashians, I actually think that'd be really fun. I feel like that'd be really like bold. I like bold, like unusual and weird.
Kim, Chloe, you heard that. We're coming, yeah, hit us up. How has social media influenced your work?
The pros of it is you see and you get inspired by everyone posting their imagery on it, and that's great, but also equally difficult because you're seeing all the inspiration and I don't want an idea planted in my head that wasn't an original idea, so kind of have to run the balance there.
How'd you get your first client?
I went to my mom and said, hey mom, will you be my client?
And you're still designing for your mom. Do you have a design rule you always break?
There are rules, but like rules are also meant to be broken.
That's such her personality.
I tell my employees, I'm like, do as I say, not as I do. So I'm like, for the right look, like we may break a few rules. So like kind of any of them.
How do you balance creativity with practicality in design?
Interior design, in my opinion, is not good design if it's only the art side, because if it's only the form, you have to have the function. Otherwise, you're just walking in an art gallery. And so for me, function comes first because you have to live in a space. Once we nail function, that's where we pretty much come in and make it beautiful. So you have to have both.
The most interesting, oddest, funny thing you've ever had to incorporate into a design?
When you're designing people's master closets and bathrooms, you hear a lot of really particular, intimate requests, and you get to know your clients really, really well.
Where do you see your design business in 5 years?
I'm the one that, like, I have a napkin in my back pocket and I always have business ideas. So in 5 years, just nailing so many different aspects of creating environments, not just in the residential interior design sense, but we're gonna have properties that we're really excited about. We have an upcoming course that I'm so stoked about coming up, some education, just a whole bunch of design arena things that help people love design. In 5 years, bringing all of those things to fruition.
Is actual interior design anything like TV?
Absolutely not. That's why it's good TV.
But a little bit, I think. There are certain elements
There are
at
certain
times.
elements. I will say this, the reveal, and this is actually part of my pitch to clients, of that final reveal where our whole team comes in and it's that big, like, emotional, like, ugly cry. That is legitimate. That pretty much always happens with both the client and myself. I mean, well, maybe not me, I don't cry very much, but people on my team who do. So that part is really similar.
I think just like timelines and stuff are fast-tracked a little bit on TV, and so sometimes expectations can be off. But
yeah.
Anyways, hey, thank you so much for joining us for Rapid Fire Questions. John Seidl, Brett Seidl of Lewis & Rose Interiors. We'll see you back here for another video soon.
Bye.